Okay, so we are slowly getting our house together. We've been here for a few years, but yeah, we're slowly getting together. This is the record corner. And basically this is an old little IKEA like benchy table thing. This is a 60s. It's really a bedroom record holder thing. Look how dusty it is. I mean, we've really neglected this corner because we know that we're gonna change it. You know, we've got like all the players just like stacked on each other here, and the speakers just stacked everywhere. We've got another record player up there. We've got records in the back there. You know, I've got like parts of my, look, I got a certificate of authenticity just hanging out. It needs to go back in its record. We've got like some frame little art stuff and cat toys. Those are my cat toys. Oh, we need to put this back up. But yeah, this is my cat's campfire toy that he likes. I've got fake blood from movies that I do. And I've got like records from halls. I've got records in other spots too. I've got records like hanging out down there. I mean, we've really got to clean this up. So this is what it looks like. We've been trying to find the right piece to go in here, and then we might build shelves. I mean, look how tall our ceilings are. Pretty tall. Is that a spider web or an actual spider, I think? Anyway, so tall ceilings, and then we've got like this here, and then my cat's down there looking for his little toy. Anyway, we're gonna get the little record box thing that we got, and I'll be back. So this is the corner all set up now. So it looks way better than it used to. We're really happy. I got all my records in here. I got some in here. I got some in here. We got 45s and stuff in here. And in here is where my cat likes to hide. He jumps up on there and goes in here. And this is our temporary record player till I get my full-time record player up and running. And then we're gonna put some shelves so we can put the speakers on there. And yeah, so this is everything complete. We've got the other speaker up there. That's the permanent record player, the Pioneer. So it's gonna go in here when I get a new needle for it. And yeah, and that is it. It's so much better than it was before. I cleaned up the wood. I think it looks great. And that is what our record corner looks like now. So I'm very, very happy that we found this little unit and we're able to get this all set up and running. It looks way better.